First, I'm switching the site to English. You get 3 days free without a card, access to all models, and 240 requests per minute during the trial. The models page explains the differences. Luna is the economical free option. Sol handles complex reasoning and long agent tasks. Code focuses on refactoring, tests, and migrations. Opus is the strongest model. Here's the first question people ask before paying. A message means one request to a model. Usage is deducted by actual tokens and shown separately for each model. Linking Telegram is free. It opens Luna, Terra, and GPT 5.5, then raises the weekly limit to 6 million input and 3 million output tokens. This is how the service filters bots. Subscriptions are weekly because the service runs until September 6, 2026. Selling months or years that cannot be served would be unfair, so plans do not renew automatically. The documentation keeps setup details in one place. The API is OpenAI compatible, so the same address and key work with Klein, Continue, Cursor, Aider, Zed, and other compatible clients. These are different tools for different tasks. The terminal agent reads project files, makes changes, runs commands, and checks results. Browser chat needs no installation and cannot access your files. The practical advantage is shared access through the API, command line interface, and web chat. Payment and limits are common across the terminal and browser instead of being split between tools. Open Amory AI and compare the models and weekly limits yourself. Pro is $3 per week, and Premium is $6 per week. Start with 3 days free without a card.